Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? Anong meron sa inyo right now? No? So yeah, another short reading tayo today for the water signs sa Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No? So yeah, tignan natin anong message sa inyo ng ex-lover nyo, no? Right? Kung sino man itong in separation kayo right now, no? Or kung matagal na, no? So kung sino man yung pinaka-last na naging in separation na kayo right now, no? Kung sino man ito. And of course, tignan din natin anong message naman ng taong kakonect nyo right now, no? Whoever it is na kakonect nyo right now, in relationship kayo right now, no? So yeah, let's see. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? Tignan natin anong message ng inyong mga ex, no? Kung sino man itong mga naiisip nyo na ex nyo na right now, no? Kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, no? Water signs, no? Ano kayang message pa sa inyo ng inyong ex na naiisip nyo ngayon, no? Tignan natin yan. Anong message for you, water signs? So, let's see. So, meron dito, playing all alone. Playing all along is my nature, no? So, yeah, no? For some of you, water sign, no? Itong ex nyo ay isang player, right? No? So, more on mind games, paglalaro lang, not serious sa relationship, no? Maybe ay binackstab kayo ng person na ito, right? No? Niloko kayo, kaya in separation kayo right now, no? So, maybe merong mga third parties involved dito, right? No? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito, water signs, no? So, let's see what else. So, look for a sign. Ask your angels. They'll be they will be guiding you, no? So for some of you water signs, no, maybe kung sino man sa inyo yung nagdadasal or asking, or maybe this person is praying pa, no, asking for guidance, no, kung nanghihingi siya ng sign. Siguro maybe gusto niyang mag-reach out sa inyo, and then he or she is seeking for a guidance, no, sa mga angels niya, sa mga guides niya, no, na kung magre-reach out ba siya sa inyo or vice versa, no, kung sino man itong ex niyo na ito, no, for some of you, no. So, nagpe-pray itong tao na ito, no, nanghihingi siya ng sign na kung ano man yung hinihingi niya na sign na yon, no. So, yeah, maybe this person is gustong mag-reach out sa inyo, and they they are waiting for a sign, no. So, yeah, that's it, no, nagpe-pray siya to send him a signs, no, or sa angels, no, nanghihingi siya ng sign, no. So, yeah, that's it, no. Or for some of you, baka kung meron man kayong mga na nakikita mga bagay-bagay na nagpapaalala sa inyong ex, no. So, maybe there is a message, no? Talagang gusto niyang mag-reach out sa inyo, no? Water signs, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? For some of you. And last is friend with benefits, no? So, yeah, no? This ex, no? So, hindi niyo siya, maybe this one is literal na friend, no? Right, no? So, for you, water sign, this is a friend of yours with benefits, no? So, yeah, naiisip niya kayo. Maybe this one is kayong dalawa, no? Parang wala kayong label before, no? Right, no? You are just friends, no? So, kumbaga, naghihintay siya sa inyo, water sign, no? So, take what's resonate for you, no? Water signs, no? So, malinaw rito na for some of you, this is a friend of yours, no? But then, there is a mutual connection between the both of you, and he or she is waiting for a sign to connect with you again, water sign, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam kung sino ton tao na ito, no? Right, no? So, yeah, tignan naman natin what's the message for your person na kakonect mo right now, no? So, tignan natin. Kuha rin tayo ng 3 cards for you, water signs. Sa person na kakonect nyo right now, no? Kung sino man itong kakonect nyo right now. Tignan natin. For you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, yeah, tignan natin. So, you have this, my life is not as together as it seems. So, yan, no, this person na kakonect nyo right now is nafe-feel niya na may pagbabago, no? May pagbabago sa inyong dalawa. There is something not for him or her, no? May changes na parang naguguluhan siya or parang nalulungkot siya, no? Kasi parang pwedeng may nagbago sa iyo or sa inyong connection, no? For some of you lang, no? Water signs, no? So, yeah, no? Parang for him or her is, yun nga, you are still together but then may may nag-iba, no? Something like that, no? So, medyo for me is this person is nalulungkot siya sa mga changes na nangyayari between the both of you, no? But still, you are still together, no? So, yun nga, no? May pagbabagong nangyayari sa inyong connection, no? So, tignan pa natin what else. So, you have this finding out the truth crushed me, no? So, for some of you, water signs, no? The person you are connecting with right now is he or she find out, no, something about you or maybe within the connection of both of you, no? Kaya this one is meron siyang meron siyang lungkot na nararamdaman here, no? So, yeah, that's it, no, water sign, no? So, maybe these two cards are connected, no? So, yun nga, no? He or she found something or ano, may nalaman siya na kung ano man ito ay ayun yung kinalungkot niya and then that's why merong nag-iiba. There are changes in your connection, in your relationship right now, no? So, and last card is, I am afraid to contact you, no? So, yeah, no? For some of you, no? I don't know if this person is still connecting with you, no? I don't know kung nag-uusap kayo or kasi if you are still connected or if you are still um, with relationship in this person, no? So maybe what what this card mean is natatakot siyang i-open up ito sa iyo. Water sign, no? Whatever he or she is feeling right now, no? Sa connection nyo, no? Natatakot siyang tanungin ka dito sa mga pagbabago na nangyayari sa inyong connection right now, no? So, yeah, that's it. So, kung sino lang ang makaka-resonate dito sa card, I mean dito sa ating reading right now, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam kung sino tong person na ka-connect nyo na there is changes happening sa inyong connection, sa inyong relationship, and your person is in confusion right now, no? Parang nahihirapan siyang i-accept itong mga pagbabagong nangyayari sa inyong relationship, no? But then, he or she is afraid to open up this issue, right? No, so yeah, that's it, no, water sign, no. So maybe if nakaka-resonate ka rito, water sign, maybe ikaw na lang ang mag-open up, ikaw na lang ang mag-start ng conversation with your person, no? Kasi hindi niya masimulan hindi niya masabi sa'yo yung nararamdaman niya regarding these changes na nangyayari sa inyong relationship right now. I don't know what changes is this, no? So, only you, kung ano man ito, ikaw lang talagang nakakaalam nito, no? Water signs, no? So, maybe, kailangan niyo mag-usap ng inyong person right now, no? So, kasi meron siyang sadness na nararamdaman sa mga nagbabago sa relasyon niyo right now, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, water signs, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading, and yeah, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe sa ating channel, and God bless you all, and yeah, thank you, water signs.